Guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to do it a bit different because it's a vlog style, yeah. But in this video what I want to do now is to remake over my desk setup because it's been a while I've been using this text and I feel I want to kind of upgrade it a bit, right, since it's back to school time and now I have been spending a lot of time here teaching my students from home while filming my YouTube videos. Basically, I want to improve on my desk setup, right, to make it more ergonomics for me. So basically what I want to do is to change off this table right here and to get a better table, and also I want to change out my chair sometime in the future, but I'm just doing it step by step. So what I'm about to do now is to remake over this, guys, to make it look more attractive and more, when I come here to sit, it feel more of relaxing. So guys, stay tuned in this video and watch what I'm about to do. That's a whole heap of mess of cable management right there. Whole lot of mess. So this is my bro right here, and he's gonna help me decorate this place, right, fixing it over into something spectacular, you understand? So he's gonna help me with all the shoots and those things. Yeah, move it over. My name's right here, sir. This thing is garbage, man. Trashing, you need to throw it. Like here just now. You need to throw it. This one brown right over here. So I'm gonna move this right over here. Right out. Okay. So what I need to do now is to get rid of all of these wires right here. Like all of these wires. I'm not gonna remove it, that's it. So this is gonna remove first. Right here. So I'm gonna get the rest of all this cord. This is like a mess, man. On this card. So make sure this corner well clean. Get him clean. Burns off an ugly. Tired, man, I swear. Really tired, man. I try to get this work done, you understand? Oh, it's not as easy as it seems. Yes, guys, so basically getting there, we have a TV screen up, right? Most of our things up. Xbox over there, computer right there. Cable management is a bit messy right now, so it's a one work panic same way, you understand? So look at all these mess. Right now, I don't know where I'm going to put this since I moved this thing right here. Not even sure where I'm going to put it. So over here I have always look at my collectibles so far, but very lazy. Very lazy boy. Who is one sleeping now? Who is one sleeping now? Yeah, watch. Okay guys, there's it. So I'm all set. Got my Xbox over there, computer there, speakers, keyboard which I'm going to change soon, monitor, top monitor, speakers, my sound system. Don't worry about cable management, gonna sort out earlier. So over here I have my little collections. Got my watch, my game CDs, my books, controllers, my little monitors and those things. So guys, that's it. Yes guys, thanks for watching this video. It's day 2 and I finally finished this project. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Remember to hit that bell notification and also like this video, and I always see you in the next one. Peace out.